Hey everyone, in this quick demo, I'm going to show you how our new platform makes it incredibly simple for Shopify app developers to list and sell their apps, or even acquire new ones. We built this platform out of frustration with existing marketplaces that are either too generic, too expensive, or simply not built with the Shopify ecosystem in mind. Our goal was to create something that actually works for developers like us, easy, fast, and transparent. Let's dive in. So here on the first screen, you will see right after the sign up, a simple dashboard where you can manage all your listings, apps you're looking to sell. To get started, just click on Add Listing. This kicks off the listing flow. First, we ask you to connect your Shopify partners accounts. This is how we securely fetch your app data and automate most of the listing setup. This is a familiar pop-up you'll see with organization ID and API tokens with all the standard rights. If you need to connect more accounts, you can do it. Otherwise, simply press continue and go ahead to the next step. For the purposes of the demo, I've already connected a Shopify Partners account, but if you haven't done it, it only takes a few seconds. We made this step seamless so you don't have to upload anything manually, like you do in many of other platforms you might be currently using to list your Shopify app or a number of your Shopify apps for sale. So what happens now, quite simple, we're connecting to a Shopify Partners account, fetching that data, which we'll be able to render and show you in the next step. On this screen, you will see that you can select an app you're looking to sell, or you can actually select them all if you like. You can also select certain ones that you're kind of looking to sell as a bundle. At this stage, we recommend that you publish separate listings for separate apps just to maximize the value of what you're kind of looking to sell. Once you've decided which app you're looking to sell, just click Next and move on to the next screen. So the system is now pulling real-time data from your Shopify Partners account. Depending on how many transactions you've got, this may take a few seconds, so don't worry if there is a short wait. Now, here's where the magic happens. We automatically generated a pre-filled listing based on your app data. We're not really starting from scratch. The name of the app is available here. If you've got your description ready, you can just simply put it in here. Otherwise, feel free to write. Nice and easy, doesn't take too long. You can also place your App Store link over here. So we're just going to place ours. We're also showing you recommended price. There's a range, which is empowered by our internal valuation tool. But ultimately, the asking price is completely up to you. So I'm going to head with 150K as my asking price. If you provide your monthly expenses, things like hosting fees, Shopify ads, any other expenses you might have on a regular basis, we're going to give you a calculation of monthly profit, which is effectively a gross profit level. So the key components are already here, and they're being pulled directly from Shopify Partners accounts. So the buyer looking at your listing can certainly trust what he or she is seeing on the screen: revenue, profits, paying merchants, churn, as well as the growth of your app or your apps. If you click Create, and that's going to create a listing, as you can imagine, nice and simple. If you need to edit it, just click on the pencil arm button here. If you change your mind, you don't want to sell it anymore, you can delete your listing very simply. Now, once it's done, pay attention to this chat functionality. You will be able to communicate with interested buyers through this chat. The moment somebody sends a message via the chat, you will receive a notification on your email, so you can go back to the app and continue communication with them here. Agree to jump on a call and take the next step, whatever you want to do. If you click back, you'll see all the apps that you've got published that you're kind of selling. If you then toggle to Buy tab, you will see all the apps that have been published for sale. And then you can click on any of those that somebody else is looking to sell, and as easily get in touch with the person by typing the message here and getting in touch with the seller. That's the full flow from sign up to live listing. Whether you're looking to sell your app, buy one, or just exploring your valuation, we've designed this platform to keep things simple, transparent, and developer friendly. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or want to walk through a personalized workflow in our app. And by the way, if you're an existing customer of EpsiFunds and you've previously signed up to our app, this should be readily available for you. You don't actually need to sign up again. You simply go here, you click on your profile picture, and there you will be able to choose EpsiQuire. That's the name of the platform to buy and sell apps. You're going down, saying EpsiQuire is my product, and that will automatically bring you to the right page in our app. Very simple. Thanks for watching once again. Cheers, bye.